Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when the weather gets warm, I need clothing that is going to keep me cool, but I don't want to sacrifice style. This top has been a great addition to my summer wardrobe. It is a flattering cowl neck sleeveless top. I have it in the large in navy blue. It also stands out because it has an irregular split bottom, which I find is flattering for me, whether I want to wear it dressy or casual. But the number one thing I love about this top is that it's 100% cotton. The lightweight, breathable material keeps me cool no matter how much sun I'm in. But because it's also a good layering piece, if it gets cool at night, I can easily throw a jacket or a sweater over it. It's dressy enough to go out to dinner, but also comfortable enough to wear if I'm running errands. So really this has been an anything, everything, very versatile top for me. I'm super happy with it. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, and it does not make me feel too hot, no matter how warm the weather gets. And that is my point of view.